Hi and welcome to my channel Hisame at Work. In this video I'm going to explain how meshes work in Clip Studio Paint because it's not the same as in Photoshop or some other programs. So for example, in some programs you press Ctrl T and then just click right, and then you have like distort and other things like that, and you can do this and then you'll have a mesh with warp or something like that, but you don't have that in Clip Studio Paint. So what you have to do is you have to select what you want to edit, and let's say I only want the head, and then I go to edit, transform, mesh transform, and now I have the mesh options to do this. And I would say that Clip Studio Paint is behind Photoshop on this issue. Generally, I brag about how great Clip Studio Paint is and everything it does. It's definitely great for um, eh, comic book illustrations because it has that vector line art. But when it comes to photo editing and meshes and things like that, it's not as great as some other programs. So this is how you do the edit mesh transform in Clip Studio Paint. Hope that was clear for you. If you have any other questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to help me out to get monetized, subscribe. So the issue with YouTube is that because I'm not monetized, I don't have 1,000 subscribers. YouTube puts ads on my stuff. I cannot control it, and they're just making money off of me, and I'm really pissy about that. So I would greatly appreciate it if you can help me get to monetization sooner. So I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Also, when I do, that will be a milestone on one of my social media channels. Therefore, I will do a art giveaway. So if you want the art giveaway, if you want to help me not have ads on my tutorials, yeah, subscribe and help me get there faster. Thank you. Bye bye.